guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Y'all see me with the Pay Girl merch. If you guys want to shop, make sure you guys check that description box. I'm not even gonna get into all that, but yeah, as you guys can tell by today's title, I'm going to be telling you guys a few ways you guys can make some money as a small influencer, as a micro influencer. As you guys can see, I'm small, I'm itty bitty, you know what I'm saying. I had an old channel on here. I had 5,000 subscribers. It got deleted actually, so I'm starting from the ground up on a lot of things, starting off from the ground up on a lot. Okay, so I currently have like about a little bit over 6,000 followers on TikTok for my personal. For my business TikTok, I have over 100,000 followers. For my Instagram, I'm just like 2,000 followers. I was growing really fast. I did see a lot of growth. I'm at 25, 20, something like that. I really slowed down on posting a lot of content on Instagram and TikTok because like stuff be like, life be lifing. I'm gonna tell you guys how you can make money on the side or whatever. This video is gonna be fairly short. I'm just gonna tell you a couple of ways that I know that I have been doing to make money from being a small influencer. Okay, so review stuff. Duh, review stuff. Yeah, that method takes money to make money. Yeah, scare money don't make money, period. If you want to be a reviewer, if you want to be an unboxer, if you want to be somebody that, you know what I'm saying, orders things and unbox them for your followers and try new things, trending items, trending gadgets, trending technology, trending clothes and stuff like that, then you can. Make sure I ain't got no white line, because y'all ain't gonna tell me if I got a white line. Wait a minute. Y'all ain't gonna tell me I got a white line. Okay. But you can order stuff. Okay, so like I did not expect this video to do as well as it did, like my DHgate haul. I actually procrastinated on that video for a long time. I actually had got those shoes in December, and I didn't do that video until like months later, until like February-ish. And I see like the results from that video, and I was kind of upset because I was like, dang, you know what I'm saying, if I see those results now, like, you know, what would happen if I would have kept doing videos like that and at the time where when I first got the shoes and stuff like that. So basically, like with that, like I feel like the ways you can get paid from doing reviews and unboxings and stuff like that before you get a big influencer, before you get a lot of following, is commission and like basically referrals. So basically, like with DHgate, they got a referral program, they got a commission program. So basically, like with a lot of these apps and a lot of these places, they, you know what I'm saying, give people opportunities to help them by getting more customers, i.e. you promoting their products and you promoting their platform and stuff like that, persuading people to buy, you know what I'm saying, from them, and they're giving you, you know, a piece of their orders or a piece of this and a piece of that. So basically, sometimes like when you do unboxing videos and you see people be like, oh, click the link in the description if you want to order this, if you like this, click the link in the description, or on TikTok it's the link in my bio and stuff like that. 9 times out of 10, sometimes people are most likely, if they're promoting it really hard or telling you to go click a link, they're getting some type of commission for it, compensation for it, and they are, you know, I'm saying, potentially gaining from it. But it's like when it's helping you because you done seen something you like, you probably need, that you never thought you needed. It's helping the company because they're getting more people, they're getting more orders, and it's helping the influencer because we're getting paid to promote stuff that we like. I'm not promoting stuff I don't like. I'm not even gonna lie. If I wouldn't wear it, or if it's something that like me, I'm not promoting it. I had companies reach out to me about promoting skincare. I don't know nothing about my skin right now. I do know a lot about my skin that is sensitive. I can't use nothing on my skin, so why would I try a skincare company and then fuck around and fuck up my skin? Like stuff like that, I don't play about. Like I'm not just gonna be testing all these skincare companies and stuff like that. I did have wig companies hit me up and stuff like that. I've really been slowing up on the wig companies ever since I got scammed by a wig company, y'all. I don't know if I told y'all that, but yeah, your girl got scammed by a wig company. But yeah, so I just been literally like low-key like backing up from doing unboxings from like, or reviews from like wigs and stuff. But I do reviews on other stuff. As you guys can see, I do unboxings on TEMU and stuff like that, DHgate and stuff like that, and I'm going to be doing more hauls for you guys. But y'all, I love y'all. Like I really love y'all. Like that video I did of the DHgate dunk haul, like y'all really been messing with me. Like y'all, I see y'all. Like I see y'all. Y'all really messing with it. I'm going to be adding more links to my little link or whatever. I got some more stuff that I'm going to be reviewing from those links as well. And y'all, if I wouldn't wear it, if I didn't know if it was legit, I would not be putting that link in my description. I would not be telling y'all to go click that link. But yeah, that's one way you can get paid. That's most of the ways that most of all the influencers get paid. Or sometimes they be like, oh, referral, you get when you refer people, or you get cash back when you refer people, or like when you review items like by yourself. You might just order something and just post a review. Sometimes people pay for that. Sometimes, yeah, like with the wig companies on Amazon, I told you guys how to become a wig influencer the easy way. That is the easy way, but now it's like you got to be careful. But they can pay you to basically review their wig. You get a free wig, and you basically get a free wig. And then when you start getting like a little bit of following, you get a free wig and you get a little coin. You know what I'm saying? Or they be like, oh, use this code, and from whatever, how many ever orders you get from the people that use your code, you get a percentage from their orders and stuff like that. I.e., that's how you make money as an influencer, period. Brand deals, collaborations, you know what I'm saying, and all that good stuff. And also platforms, like different platforms, posting your content on different platforms. If your content is not doing well on one platform, if you feel like you're not getting no results on one platform, go to the next. Post it on all platforms. That's what I have been learning. Like, I've been getting more into YouTube. Like, I started like really pushing YouTube to the side. I was like, YouTube ain't nothing. When I be like, nah, when I see like really YouTube is paying better than all the rest of these other apps. And it's like crazy now that Instagram saying they're not going to be paying their people and stuff like that. They're just really messed up, because a lot of people make a lot of money on Instagram, like via posts and stuff like that. And I feel sorry for people that was getting that source of income. TikTok pays cents on a dollar. I did get paid $10 from them, and I just never even, I left that program because I feel like once you sign up for a creator program, your views start being asked, and I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. And I feel like over here it's just organic. Y'all have y'all own, like, you know what I'm saying, you know, source and stuff like that. So promote everywhere, you know what I'm saying. Make sure, like, you really have to, if you want to start getting paid some real money, you really have to do these reviews like really in depth, and like you have to do what's popping. You have to do what the people want, get what the people want. It might not necessarily be what you like. It could be what's in right now. You do a video for YouTube, you do a video for TikTok, and you do a little snip for Instagram. You post it all. That's how you start like building. That's if you want to really get paid for this, y'all have to really like be out there for real. Be out there for real. Promote it like it's like, you know what I'm saying, like it's your own. And another way to make some money on the side, or to get paid as an influencer and stuff like that, if you know you have a following like 10,000, 30,000 followers and stuff like that, that's small. That's still small. 10,000, 30,000, 100,000, that's still small. If you ain't a million up, that's still small. You know what I'm saying? Start a clothing brand. Hello? I'm trying to put you on. I'm trying to put y'all on. I'm trying to put y'all on. Do a clothing, start a clothing brand. Take people on your journey. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Do I not be, is it not clicking for y'all? Yeah, isn't that clicking for y'all? Like, do something, y'all. Do something. Like, it's lots of ways to make money out here online. Yeah, you can work. Yeah, you can still have that 9 to 5. But baby, outside that 9 to 5, I'm finna have some more coin coming in. You have to have multiple sources of income. So basically, the ways you can make money: commission, buying a product, promoting it to your fans, your followers, or whatever you call your people. Collaborate with businesses, have them pay you, give you a free product. It's gonna start off with free products, y'all. If you ain't got a big following, it's gonna start off with free products. Don't get discouraged. They're gonna start paying you soon if they see some results. But yeah, start getting paid by companies to promote their products and stuff like that. Start getting paid just to leave reviews. You don't even have to do some type of promotion. Some people just, oh, get it, or we send to you and just post a review. That helps them actually get seen and gets more potential, more customers, if you really think about it. What else? Start a clothing brand, start a business, start anything like you can. Do ebooks, start, like, you know what I'm saying? It's just a lot of ways to make money. You can get paid from doing videos on different platforms, like your unboxing videos. Even if you don't want to show your face, you can still do unboxing videos without showing your face. You can still do unboxing videos without, you know what I'm saying, being front to front with the camera, or even talking. You don't even have to talk. I see people all the time. They have hundreds of thousands of followers. They don't even talk. They just be unboxing stuff. Or you can eat. It's a lot of ways you can make money and stuff like that, and you can start reaching out. You don't even have to wait for people to start reaching out to you. You can start reaching out to people first. Get your foot in the door. Start building relationships with these people, with these companies, people that you want to potentially collab with. And if they don't, get discouraged. If they ain't hitting you now, trust me, when you get big, they're gonna be hitting you. And the price has just went up. Yeah, don't let them people lowball you as well. Like these companies, they'll love to try to, oh, you do this and then we'll do this. No. It don't work like that, boo. Sometimes them companies, you gotta watch out when they be like, oh, this and this, and then no, you gotta be a little comfortable. Sometimes you gotta put your foot down and be like, oh, we can do this, we can meet in the middle. But yeah, protect yourself. There's a lot of scammers out there, a lot of scammer companies. Don't get fooled. Don't sign nothing that you know some people make you sign contracts to promote stuff. I personally feel like it's never that deep to sign a contract unless you're getting paid some real coin. But you know what I'm saying? If they talking about $100 or something, don't sign that. Don't sign it yet. Like until they offering a bigger bag or something like that. But don't sign it. Don't sign that. But yeah, y'all, I hope I helped y'all out in this video. I hope I gave y'all like a few ways to make some money. Like I will be going into detail and tutorials on how to make money and how to on the side. I be giving y'all gems. I be giving y'all like tons and tons of videos on how to make money on the side. Y'all just don't be listening. Y'all don't like these videos. Y'all don't like the informational videos that I be telling y'all to get a coin. We pay girls. We're paid girls, so I'm trying to get y'all paid, period. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm out of here, y'all.